guys. After work, kain, tapos pahinga, and then I'm having shower before bed. But I wash my comforter right there, and I pull it down the aircon AC right there to dry right away my comforter so that I can use it before I go to sleep. I put some cream on my face, especially during before sleep. In the morning, just you wash it. It's like pinkish color. Facial care should be, especially in food industry. Pleasing personality is a must. You should take care of yourself, guys. This is our profit, our health. Anyway, just a quick update to you guys. Have you ever seen every day I'm having daily update at work? Most of the time at work. Eid Mubarak, it's coming. Like 1, I think, or 31. Ramadan, after Ramadan. And yes, of course, as a first timer, advice, good sleep, and proper health conscious, and good cooperation at work. Give your best at work. And we came here for work to save money for our family. Hope everyone is in good hands and in good health. Anything else? Every time pray. Always thanks for the blessing that we receive every day. Now it's here it's like around what time now? 4 a.m. in the morning. I just got home like around 1 a.m. after my work. Right away I ate some small meal, like oatmeals and some bread. That's it. Not heavy meal because I'm going to sleep later on. Especially here, we adjust on the time, on the temperature, in the weather. By the way, on the weather, now it's coming sunny day. Cold season is almost done. Every day now it's like hot weather here in our place. And yeah, enjoy our work, give our best always, and have a good relation to your colleagues, to your coworker, and love your work as you love yourself. Love your work as you love yourself, correct? And as you love God. God loves us, and we should be thankful on our everyday life. And yeah, that's all. Keep on moving, keep on praying, and go forward. Always go forward, whatever it is. And hopefully everything will be okay, will be alright. Just we need to pray and trust in God. Everything will be okay and will be fine, guys. Have a good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everyone. Hope you enjoy your day. Have a wonderful day, everyone. What else? Just enjoy life. Enjoy life. Be good to others as you are so good to your family and to yourself as well. Give love to one another, guys. Forgive and start all over again. God bless everyone. Take a good rest. And tomorrow is another day. God bless everyone. Thank you.